Careful, you touch it too much and you'll pause the video. Look at all the birdies. Look at all those birdies, Homey. Are those your birdies? No? Somebody else's birdies? Oh, there's that squirrel again. You get him. He's not under there, babe. Oh. 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 Get him, Homey. Oh. Here he comes. Get him, Homey, get him. Get him, Homey, get him. Oh, he's gonna get away. Oh. Oh. Homey, is your mind blown? Look at all the birdies. Oh my goodness, birdies, birdies, birdies. Holy, look at all the birdies, Homey. Look at all the birdies. You're purring, you're having fun. Oh, there's that squirrel. Oh, it's a squirrel. You're gonna get your squirrel. You're gonna get your squirrel. You gonna get him this time? Kick his ass, Homey. Let's fix this a little bit so you can see it. Oh, are you done? Are you done? Are you done, Homey? Are you done? Nope. Get this squirrel. Get this squirrel. Get this squirrel. Get him, Holmes. Get him, get him. Meow meows. Get him. Get him, get him. That's a big ass squirrel. Look at the size of him. Yeah, it's probably best if he's not here in real life, because he's about the same size that you are. You're just an itty bitty kitty. You're part of the itty bitty kitty committee. You're the treasurer. Oh, is that the end? Oh, no, there's a little bit more. It's just buffering. Look at the squirrel. Oh, he's buffering. What is this line? I do not understand. I do not understand. I do not understand. Faster, Bubby. I do not understand. Oh, there's a squirrel. Get the squirrel. Get him, get him. Is that a finch or a robin? It's a robin. Get him. Get him, Homey. Oh, good boy. Good boy. What kind of bird is that? Looks like a finch. Meow, meow, meow. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Okay.